If you want to cancel your Temu subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth cancellation process. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the app. Look for an option related to subscriptions or memberships. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, locate the section that lists your current subscriptions. Click on it to view the details of your Temu subscription. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Once you have access to your subscription details, look for the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts provided to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After initiating the cancellation, you may need to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any confirmation messages and finalize the cancellation to ensure your subscription is successfully terminated. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Temu subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.